When I'm coming in town, baby girl holding me down, yeah. Yeah, she a 10, a little bit crazy, but nothing my ass cannot handle. Bad SoCal girl with that valley girl lingo. Asking myself how the hell is she single? Asking the cute ass to come sit with me, cause right now I am speechless, tonight we bilingual. And I gotta do it right, unlike all y'all past men. My problem, I can let them in. My heart's been through way too much shit. Now we can chill and repeat. Break you down inside those sheets. Only be a freak for me. Come take me higher, baby, please. Yeah.
Good morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday. Oh, by the way, it's September 3rd. So I'm up early this morning to get some watering done. So that way it's all done. It should last me till this weekend or till Monday maybe. So I don't have to water. And yeah, look at the sky. See the sky? That looks really nice. God, that sky looks really nice. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna open up shop or open up the laundromat and then load up and go water.
Lot on my mind, to be honest, but right now, girl, I think I probably should take you down. Take you down, take you down, take you down. Girl, let me take you down. Take you down, take you down, take you down. Girl, let me take you down.
I really enjoy this early morning. It's nice and quiet, and I don't know, there's something about the early mornings. There's that tree we chopped down right there. So this is our dirt pile, and this is where our material, rocks, gravel, sand, or P-rock and sand. Actually sand then P-rock. So yeah. This is what it's just nice to have an area where you can store your material. And yeah, we acquired this whole property 5 or 6 years ago. That was with the laundromat, and then our shop, and then all this area. This elevation where the land is at was about 4 or 5 feet below grade, and that's a floodplain back there, right there. So some years that does flood back there, and it does come up to it hasn't flooded back here at all ever since I raised it. So we want to just keep, one day eventually I'd like to just raise it up to the height of the grade, not up to the laundromat, but just under, a little bit higher. So yeah, waiting for the water to fill now. And now I'm heading out to the dump site to get all the clippings off of my truck from yesterday's mowing. So yeah, it's about 8:20. After I get done here, or I didn't record any of the watering just because you guys seen plenty of that. And after this, I'm gonna head back into the office and fix some phones. I didn't get a chance to fix them last night, so I'm gonna go down and fix them this morning. Customers usually drop off their phone or devices that they need repaired, and I get them fixed. But last night they came in the customers came in a little later. So, and I was cutting short on the mowing. I was mowing until 8:20, 8:30. Yeah, at least, yeah, 8:30. I got done with my, no, 7:20, 7:30 I got done with my last mowing account. Didn't make it home until 9:30. And then 8. Saw the family a little bit and edited the vlog and slept and back up this morning.
I've been drunk out of my mind. This is love, this is love. That's some shit that's hard to find. I've been drunk, I've been high. Off this love that's hard to find. This is love, this is love. Yeah, it's got me out my mind. Waking up to your face, baby, you still on my mind. Trust me, I'm feeling the signs. Thinking about making you mine. Spending my time trying to show you you're better off now. Saying forget about your ex. Yeah, he knows what he missed. Hope that he knows what he missed. Baby, just look at you go. Perfect from head to the...
Alright, get this off. Some of you are wondering if I delete my videos or my footage from my everyday vlogging. I keep all of them. I keep them, and now I've come up with a system. I've got enough storage now to keep everything. I don't delete anything, and eventually one day I want to look back, go back, and you know, because there's some good footage in there that I just couldn't fit in the 10 to 15 minutes time frame on the vlog. So you know, I've used up, I don't know how many terabytes already, but I've got another one on hand just in case. You know, another 5 terabyte, and I don't delete anything. I store them, so I don't know, maybe in the future I might use them. And it's just nice to look back at everything that we've documented and vlogged every day. So alright, so I got this iPhone I've got to fix. The screen's not working, so once I get this done, that beeping noise is from people coming in and out of the laundromat. Every time they open up the door, it beeps. That's what that beeping noise is.
Got the whole room in a daze. Walk out that room like a model. I'll show you some feelings I never displaced. I'll show you love that your ex couldn't make. Babe, I'm a savage, get used to my ways. I need somebody like you. You want somebody like me. So baby girl, that's what we'll do. Been through the highs and lows. Maybe you stay around. Lot on my mind to be honest, but right now, girl, I think I probably should take you down.
Alright, we got this up and going. It's about noon, and I've been down here since 6:30 in the morning. And I just got done uploading my Instagram video that I created this morning. So here it is, check it out. Yeah, so it's something small that I love pushing content out, so yeah. I'm gonna head up to my brother's now to see what he's up to. That's exactly right. So we are gonna go up to Ramsey, Minnesota. Is Ramsey or Burnsville? Burnsville, I guess. To go pick up a toolbox. So yeah, spur of the moment, I guess. Gonna take the dually up there since it's... How big is it?
It's 6 feet long.
6 feet, 72 inches long. And our truck, I don't think is... The box is long enough. Yeah. 3, what you got, 3 or 4?
Huh?
You got 3 to build? 2, 3?
3
He's got 3 to build.
3 more.
Those track sled. So 4 total.
The orders just keep coming.
And the orders just keep coming in. Wait till winter when people start thinking about it. So if you don't know what it's about, check out our Best Track Sled channel. It's links down below. It's about 12:46 p.m. and we are on the road. We are heading up to Burnsville to pick up a toolbox, a big one. Yeah. Brother and I here. It's his toolbox, not mine.
Girl, let me take you down. I've been high, I've been drunk out of my mind. This is love, this is love.
Alright, we are here at, what is it?
Minnesota Home Outlet.
We're here at Minnesota Home Outlet. Picking up the toolbox.
What is it? 2.5 hours away? 3 hours away?
Almost a 3-hour drive. Let's go. Look at these mowers. Check out the mower. Look at all these Honda mowers. Oh man, that's still expensive, yeah? Yeah. This is the one I've got right here. And they still want 400 something. It looks used. There it is, no key.
Excuse me?
Look at that. No key. And the door's locked.
Lock pick it.
Huh? Yeah, that's the lock.
Lock pick it and then just leave it in there.
Let's go up to that one. So this is a bust. Go up to the other one. That was a bust. We're going to go to another store that has it. This is just like secondhand stuff. And didn't have a key. So we couldn't get into the drawers anyways. Alright, so we're gonna go to another location that has the same toolbox for the same price. Hopefully it's new. It's not like hoping this one has a key. The other one didn't. Alright, so we got we found the toolbox. Can we lift it?
We'll do one end first.
That's hard to find. This is love, this is love. Yeah, it's got me out my mind. Waking up to your face, baby, you still on my mind. Trust me, I'm feeling the signs. Thinking about making you mine. Spending my time trying to show you you're better off now. Saying forget about your ex. Yeah, he knows what he missed. Hope that he knows what he missed. Baby, just look at you go. Perfect from head to the toe. Got the whole
Want
room in the
something?
days. Walk out that room like a model.
Find a way to come get it. No, I gotta drive. I got DOT.
Made this truck into DOT on this
Yeah. Alright, we got about 3-hour drive back home. So won't be home until 9 o'clock.
I'll show you love that your ex couldn't make. Babe, I'm a savage, get used to my ways. I need somebody like you. You want somebody like me. So baby girl, that's what we'll do. Been through the highs and lows. Maybe you'll stay around. Lot on my mind to be honest, but right now, girl, I think I probably should take you down.
We just got back with our Or his toy, not mine. Check that out. Look at that thing. Shiny. What you think? You like it? There's even gum on there.
Oh.
Look at that thing. Best chalk sled.
Oh yeah.
It's because of this machine. That's...
Yeah, man. All my tools are saved up to go in here now. The big stuff.
That's his baby. Yeah. So it was a 6-hour drive for us and total. And it's about 8:30 p.m. and we're finally back.